KEDING is proud to introduce our latest innovation, KEDING SPC Flooring. That's right, a premium new addition to the KEDING family, featuring our most exclusive color collection, brand new authentic stone texture, and hyper-realistic wood grain patterns. Our SPC flooring is enhanced with synchronized embossing technology and a 5-feet long plank design. Unlike typical flooring with repetitive patterns, KEDING delivers unmatched authenticity and a truly unique character. Engineered to commercial-grade scratch and wear-resistant standards, it's built to withstand heavy furniture and the active lives of your pets. Beyond durability, KEDING SPC flooring is both eco-friendly and non-toxic. With our click-lock installation, the process is faster, cleaner, and requires zero glue or nails. At 7.5 mm thick, each plank includes a waterproof acoustic underlay for superior flexibility and noise reduction. It's also flame retardant, providing an essential layer of safety for your home. Thanks to its high-density structure, it remains non-absorbent and dimensionally stable, making it the perfect choice for high-humidity environments. Experience the KEDING SPC flooring today. You'll feel the quality in every step.